My hair is still dirty, but I'm over it. But oh, I still got something back in here. But this is what my hair is looking like. I just washed it, but it's kind of still dirty. I need to, well, I'm not going to spend any thorough time detangling it, because with this hairstyle, I feel like you don't have to worry about like really doing a lot of trying to straighten your hair. Of course, I'm going to detangle, but not like really try to get it straightened. So today I'm going to do the butterfly locks. This will be my second time attempting. I will insert a picture of what it looked like the first time I did the butterfly locks. I wasn't paying attention the first time I went, and I grabbed different kind of hair. So one of the hair packs that I had, like, it unraveled fast. I'm self-taught. Like, I'm one of those people, I just watch YouTube videos and I go for what I know. So I'm self-taught or whatever. So I'm about to start on my hair. I'm probably going to start in the front just so I can see what I'm doing. And then I work my way to the back. I'm just weird like that when I braid my own hair. So yeah, y'all, hope that you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get to it. So the video that I watched, she used the Cuban twist hair for like her base, because you know you have to braid your hair under the actual lock. So I have the Cuban twist hair. I have it in the number 2 color, and this is 16-inch. And then the hair that I'm going to use for my actual lock is the Waterwave Freetress hair, and this is in the 22-inch. I'm probably not going to be talking throughout the whole video, because trying to talk and concentrate and do my hair, no. So I'm gonna go ahead and start and let y'all see what I'm doing. First things first, I'm using the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for braiders. Y'all, this product is so good. If you have natural hair, it will definitely help you slick your hair in your braid. So now I'm taking 2 pieces of the Cuban Twist hair, and I'm gonna start to braid my hair. I did speed up this footage, as you can see. One issue that I did have with this Cuban Twist hair, y'all, it will get tangled. So later on, to avoid so much of the tangling, I started just leaving my hair in one of the sections instead of trying to split the Cuban Twist hair into that section, if that makes sense. Also, you could choose to just use your real hair when you braid, but I wanted a stronger base, so I use weave. And then also I feel like the takedown is much easier if you use weave instead of braiding your real hair. Okay, so now I'm just taking 2 pieces of the Freetress Waterwave hair, and I am just combing it out with my fingers. This is the part that's kind of hard to explain what I'm doing here, but I'm just taking the hair and I'm kind of twisting it around my braid. And then eventually I'm gonna grab the longer piece and I'm gonna start to wrap it around the braid. I always start off by wrapping it 3 times around the top, and then I'm going to start wrapping towards the bottom. Make sure that when you're wrapping the hair around your braid, that you're not twisting the braid as well, that you're just wrapping the hair, because if you're twisting the braid as well, then once you let it go, it's all gonna unravel, sis. So you don't want to do that. Also, make sure it's not too tight. It's gonna look tight when I'm first like doing it, but when I let it go, it's gonna loosen up. But yes, it's just make sure it's not too tight, and make sure you are just wrapping the hair. So then once I get to the bottom, I am going to bend the hair up, wrapping around the bottom a few times, and then I'm going to start to wrap it back up the dread. Next, I'm going to take another piece of the Freetress Waterwave hair and start wrapping it around the entire lock. I'm going to start from the bottom and go up. Later on, when I was doing my hair, I started starting halfway on my lock and then wrapping down. I changed it up. The good thing about this hairstyle is you can pretty much do them different ways and get the same results. So yeah. And this last part is super important because it helps keep the lock secure. The first time I did my hair, I kind of experimented with using that third piece because I didn't have enough hair and I was trying not to go to the store and buy any more. And what I noticed is the ones that would come loose most likely would be one that did not have the third piece of hair to secure it. And how far up you go wrapping the lock is going to depend on you. I promise you it's going to come out looking the same if you choose to go all the way up, if you choose to go midway, and they're pretty much all going to have the distressed look automatically. So this is what the first one is looking like. What do y'all think? It's pretty easy, right? So now I'm just going on and doing the rest of my hair. I was gonna try to insert a clip where I started the lock and you can really see it better, but my hands are pretty much in the way on all of them just because I wanted to make sure that it was secure and I was starting as close up to the root as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my hair and then I'll be back. Y'all, this is where I'm at right now, and I honestly want to give up, but I got so much more to do. I only have two that are a little bit longer. Yeah, so I don't know. That's another thing. Like, I have trouble getting these all the same length, and you don't really just want to cut them because they might unravel. Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 100 rounds too. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers on backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your food right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls, loose. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most, yeah. Pull up and goes, yeah. My diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. Read the ruler, diamond cooler. Okay, y'all. So it is the next day, and this is what my hair looks like. Let me show y'all the length. I struggled with, I ain't gonna lie, I struggled with getting them to be like even across the bottom. So yeah, but this is what it looks like. Yesterday I was not too crazy about it because the hair, you know, like if you have attempted this hairstyle before, the hair was really shiny yesterday. Why is it sticking up? The hair was really shiny yesterday, and eventually it's gonna lose its shininess, and then it does get old looking real fast. So I kind of like that. Yesterday I felt like it was a little too put together, and today it's giving like dreads. So I do like it. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this in. I finished yesterday at around like 4:30ish, but I had to go meet up with somebody, so I did not record when I first finished, but I wanted to just do an outro and then just kind of say some things that I learned. Y'all, when it comes to this hairstyle, there's room to, like, you can literally do everyone or a few of them different and get the same result. So that's a plus. Also, this is a game changer and it was a lifesaver. Make sure you get this, especially if you're natural. It'll help you lay your hair down and all of that. So I ended up using 9 packs of the Freetress hair, and then all of the Cuban Twist hair. I used all 3 packs that I had. I think I stated how many packs I had. So yeah, I had 3 of the Cuban Twist packs, and I had 9 of the Freetress hair. I used all of it. You want to make sure that you pay attention and get the right hair, because as I stated previously, if you get the wrong hair, it will untwist. Like the next day, it'll be untwisting. I made so many mistakes the first time I did it. This time, I like it much better. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it in. I'm real critical when I do my own hair, and then I feel like when I do my own hair, I could just take it out when I want. The goal is to keep it in a month. That's what I'm shooting for. But let me know what y'all think. This is my second attempt. Like I said, I did this last year to my hair, didn't keep it in long because I really didn't care for it, and then I had a wig sponsorship I had to do, so I ended up just taking them out. But I like it, y'all. What do y'all think? Also, another thing I did want to mention is that this hairstyle, to me, if you're going to attempt to do this hairstyle on yourself to save money, you will save money because it is expensive going into somebody. But please understand that the hair for this is expensive. I think, hold on, it's like, yeah, it's $6.99 a pack, and I use 9 packs. It's $6.99 a pack. So you have to keep that in mind. The hair is expensive. If you're like really on a budget, I would just say do box braids, because usually box braid hair, it used to be like $1.99 or $2.99 a pack. I haven't box braided my hair in so long, so I don't remember. But that's all I want to say, is that this hair is expensive, like, to do the style. So just keep that in mind, y'all. And that's it, y'all. I hope that you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think about my hair, y'all. I like it. I'm feeling it today. Let's see how I feel tomorrow. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should